one thing I love about painting is I love how painting feels when I put the paint on my surface, say for if whether it's a canvas or a on paper. I love going back and forth with the brush. I love how the paint smells. I love rinsing the paint off the brush, in the water. I just love painting. As you can see, I just love making the quick strokes with the paintbrush. I like painting loose. I'm not very defined. You don't have to be defined. I know a lot of artists in art schools kind of teach you how to paint realistic, but sometimes that's not it for everybody. I say paint based on your personality, paint on how you feel, paint what's best for you. For me, I'm a loose person, so I like to paint loose. Now, I might not act like that when I'm out in public or meet you. I'm kind of reserved, but for some reason or another, I love painting loose. So this landscape painting is basically my expression. It's not a picture of anything. It's just me, just enjoying painting, making a quick landscape painting, just using three basic colors: white, blue, yellow, well, four, and raw umber. So you can do the same. You can do it just using four colors, simple lines, simple shapes, simple shadings, just going back and forth with quick, easy brush strokes. What I like most about painting with acrylic is that I don't have to worry about it drying. I don't have to worry. I can quickly paint real easy. Now I love how oils mix, but again, sometimes you have to be very strategic on how you paint with oils. Um, Oils is not for everybody, and acrylics not for everybody. But with acrylics, I can paint fast. I can paint loose. I can go determination with strength, with power, and just kind of go at it. I don't feel that way with oils, but again, that's it's just my personality. It's just me talking. So with landscapes, landscapes are fairly easy. You can use landscapes to kind of improve your painting skills. I love how landscapes, especially a landscape like this, doesn't require you to have great painting skills. Just have to know some basics, painting light and dark. You have to know just just how to make it work. Again, you do not want to make your painting flat, all just one color. If you look at my sky, it's all not one color, one blue. It's a different variations of blue. You look at the ground, the land is not one variation green. You look at the trees and the grassy areas, it's not just all one green. I think if you can accomplish that, using different variations of shades or hues of one color on one object, you have accomplished everything. You do need to know some values, techniques, shading in the dark, especially a good way to do it is with a pencil, shading light to dark, and just do the same thing when you're doing with paint, and knowing how to work colors, using primary colors and using white, making tints, tones, and all that stuff. I talk about that in my course. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Check it out. If you have any more questions, feel free to put in at the bottom of the comment. If you want to get the full tutorials of this lesson, I would encourage you to join the course, join the academy. Link is at the below. You get over 30 to 40 lessons on acrylic, a lot of them with the palette knife, a lot of them with the brush. Each lesson ranges from landscapes to abstracts to painting churches to flowers to all kinds of things. So I know you enjoy it. Thanks so much.